World Health Organization, founded in 1948, a specialized part of UN. Let us see what WHO does for you. Let's begin with this animation. Now, every day we are there. Let's see what they actually want to convey. Helping countries make the air you breathe safer. They promote healthy diet to prevent diabetes, cancer and heart disease, actually many more diseases. Helping you monitor how your children are growing and know what to do if they are not growing as expected. Then they also recommend vaccinations to keep the family healthy and helping countries survey how many people get the immunizations they need. They keep your food safe to eat. And water also safe to drink. Ensuring availability of safe modern contraceptives for everyone. This is what is WHO doing. Then increasing seat belt and helmet use to save lives on roads. So they also ensure safety to people. Helping reduce your health risks while traveling. So they cover many areas for safety. Understanding and planning for the needs of older people also. This is also one of the missions of WHO, World Health Organization. It is also protecting you from second-hand smoke. It ensures bed nets and diagnostic tests are of good quality to protect people from many diseases. Helping countries ensure they recruit health workers on the basis of ethics and good practices. So they also work in this sector. Protecting patients from infections in health facilities. Ensuring good care for mothers before, during and after delivery. Here also they include testing and treating for HIV, that is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next, sending in experts, medicines, equipment and supplies when disaster strikes. This is also where WHO helps. And the bills, of course, helping protect people from catastrophic health bills and reducing inequities. Ensuring access to safe and affordable medicines. And not even that, they're also helping identifying disease outbreaks early and helping countries to respond. Working with member states and partners, WHO brings health to life every day. So this is how WHO actually works. The World Health Organization, the official site of this is www.who.int.